Hello and welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Thumbnail Creator. Just before we get started, a reminder that this will be an honest review video, not a sales or hype video. There will be a link to the sales page in the video description down below. If you click on that link, it'll take you to the page we're looking at in this video. If you choose to purchase the product through the links in that sales page, I will receive a commission, but that doesn't mean I'm going to tell you you should buy this. So right off the bat, without any further ado, if you buy this product, you're buying it against my recommendation. Okay. Now, I want to start out by saying, when I first looked at this, I was super optimistic about this. Okay. What does this claim to do? Thumbnail Creator designed magnetic scroll-stopping thumbnails in just 3 clicks with the most powerful AI thumbnail creation app for all the video platforms available like Insta, Facebook, YouTube, and more. Okay, so you know when you go to YouTube or you go to Odyssey or Rumble or Facebook or wherever it is you're watching videos, you see the thumbnail. And sometimes the thumbnail is just a still frame from the video. YouTube allows you to pick those frames automatically. If you've seen any of my videos, they don't look fancy because I spend no time video editing whatsoever. I talk about a product for a few minutes, maybe a little more than a few minutes, and I basically upload it directly to YouTube. I don't bother putting up thumbnails because, frankly, I already put about as much time as I have into this little project. So that's what you see when you look at one of my videos. However, you see others. We're going to go down just a little bit because there's some samples of what this purports to let you do. I'm going to scroll for a few seconds here, but we're going to get to right here, right? These are people on Fiverr advertising. And of course, you've seen designs like this, you know, cool YouTube thumbnail shots before. You see these all over the place, and they do help you to stand out, admittedly, especially at sharp color contrast like we have with this image over here on the right. Okay, so this is what this says it's going to do. Notice this is in just 3 clicks. Just 3 clicks. Okay, now let's go on for a second. Okay, so it's going to let you create thumbnails in minutes. Loyalty-free elements. I think this is supposed to be royalty-free, not loyalty-free. But regardless, newbie-friendly, no design skills needed. Resize, pro color, pro fonts, training included. Okay, mind-blowing thumbnails in just 3 steps. So pick a template, or let the AI make the best decision. Shape it, and you're ready to publish and go viral. Now, what I was imagining that this would do, okay, I'm not a software designer. If I was to design something to publish under the name Thumbnail Creator and put it as something that's super, super fast and easy, what I would do is have software that looks at the video you've just created, such as, you know, this is what YouTube does. YouTube defaults to giving you 3 images that it pulls from your video. So, you know, get a number of these images, or even allow you to pick something from a specific frame. Click that, select that so that that becomes your base image. Pick a template to go with it. And we're going to see some examples in a minute here. Actually, we'll just go back down to where we were a moment ago. And then once you've picked the template, you just put in your text and have it fill everything in more or less automatically, right? So you get cool stuff like amazing YouTube videos or tutorials or whatever else this says. Thumbnail design with, you know, this is the kind of thing you would expect to get. Now, there's 2 videos that are on here. One is up at the top, and it's just a promotional video that won't really tell you anything useful about the product. There is a demo video down here, and I'm not going to play the demo video. You can see I'm in the midst of it, but basically, this is what it's going to give you. Now, you can see some elements on here. Basically, this is Canva, or at least it's not much more complex than Canva, if it is at all. you basically have a stock background image, and you can see here we've got a text block. This is part of the template, and you simply click on the text block and you can change the color, you can move it around, but that's exactly it. You're not doing it in 3 clicks, or in 3 clicks you're choosing a default stock image, which guaranteed you're going to be limited in the number of images you get to start with. You've got a set number of designs. The text is just changing fonts, okay? And there's a spot for you to upload photos and bring in other elements and whatnot. But I'm going to strongly encourage you guys, as you're trying to make up your mind about this product, if you haven't already, go to the sales page, scroll down. This is about just a little more than halfway down the page, and you'll see this little demo video. It says play demo video at the top. Okay, and watch the video. Speed it up because it's ridiculously slow moving, but just watch because it's going to show you what the product actually does. And what the product actually does is not nearly as impressive as what my expectations for the product were. Now, like I said, I was optimistic about this product. I was entirely ready. I'd done my usual homework. I had looked at the vendor's profile on Warrior Plus. You get some bonuses here. And I had been prepared to, there's a lot of products with low ratings. In fact, we're going to do a money-back guarantee here. It says 365-day money-back guarantee. I would not trust to 365 days with any vendor-based product like this. I would, again, if you're purchasing through Warrior Plus, which is where this is coming from, they will hold the funds for 30 days. So if you have trouble getting the money back from the vendor, you can go to Warrior Plus themselves. Don't wait 365 days. There are a very small handful of vendors that I would trust in the affiliate marketing world to honor a money-back guarantee with after, say, even after a month, to be honest. So we're going to go, this is the profile on Warrior Plus, Venkatesh Kumar, and you can see there are some pretty bad ratings on some products here. And you know what? Ratings are one of the things I look at. You guys have seen me look at these pages before. But for instance, Cartoon Creator, this has got a 1.14 rating based on 29 ratings. But if I go over to the offers and I find Cartoon Creator, I find that it sold 1,000 copies and only had a 4% refund rate. So what that means is, there's approximately 40 people at 1,000, which isn't bad. This is the range that I actually don't mind seeing. I like to see refund rates a little bit lower, but this is around 5%, which I think is fair for this type of product. You aren't showing everything to somebody before they make up their mind, because of course part of the allure is in the secret to a lot of products. But so Cartoon Creator, all right, so 40-ish people got their money back, and 29 of them, okay, so that's a big number. You see down here we got 9 reviews, 13. 29 is pretty impressive. So the majority of the people who got their money back decided to leave a really, really terrible review. And I was prepared to make this case. Now, I have not looked at that specific product, but then I came over here and I watched the demo video. And this is why I like demo videos. You guys hear me say this all the time. Show me what your product actually does. Don't tell me what it does. Show me how it works. Show me how the whole setup is going to go. And this, frankly, we've got, you can see, I'm just going to click in a couple spots here. You can see there's just random elements being bumped around. We're not seeing anything impressive at all. And of course, as we would expect, we're not going to see just a single product, but we're going to go over to this is the page for the product, the JV page on Warrior Plus. No, let's not look at the funnel map because it's going to be big and messy. But you can see here we've got thumbnail creator regular, okay, 1659, 1 million YouTube authority thumbnail creator unlimited, the VIP package, done for you, everything done for you. Why is there a done for you and an everything done for you? Okay, and I think this is probably one of the reasons. Like, I can't imagine what more you're getting with these higher versions. You know, why is there an unlimited? You know, are we limiting the number of photos that you can, the number of thumbnails you can save, or the number of templates you have, or what are we doing? Okay, don't, like I said, I'm so disappointed with this. I really wanted to be able to look at you guys today and say, hey, go jump on this product while it's new and it's fresh and it's hot, and you know, you can make great thumbnails for your own videos, or whatever else you're doing. You don't need to use them just for videos. You can use them for ads. You can use them for posts to social media or your own website. There was just so much hopeful optimism I had towards this. In fact, if it did what I thought it was trying to do, which is to basically automatically create thumbnails for your videos, I was prepared. And I don't buy an awful lot of products because, as a rule, in the various things that I do, I don't typically need a lot of software products. But I was ready to buy this until I looked at it. And why in the world would I spend money on this when there's perfectly good software already in existence that does basically the same thing as this, only with truly professional support? Canva, if I'm not mistaken, I believe is owned by Google. I might be wrong about that. I believe that's the case. Either way, Canva has professionals who are working for them and who are bringing new content all the time, new features, improving functionality all the time. And there are free versions and there are paid versions of Canva. There's some great upgrades you can get with subscriptions, but you can do most of what I think you would ever need to do. The basic versions, you know, if you're just starting out, you don't want to spend a lot of money on graphics for ads or thumbnails. You don't have to. So don't save your money for the useful things, or the more useful things. So anyway, I'm going to end this here. Again, I really, really, really wish I could give this a thumbs up and tell you guys what a great idea it was. Save your money. There's so many better things you're going to have to spend your money on between regular life and better tools to help you in your path to an online income. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you guys back here again soon.